Today in our 2016 Toyota RAV4, we're going to be doing a test fit on the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero roof rack system. And we're going to be using part numbers RRVA126B-2 for the 49-inch black aluminum crossbars, and part number RRSX021 for the SX series legs. And those are going to be for your raised rails like you see here. So I've already got the rear one installed. I'd like to mention that this roof rack system is going to allow you to put your roof mount accessories such as roof baskets, bike racks, kayak carriers, and ski carriers. Let's go ahead and do that front one together. It's very easy to install. All of the legs install the same way. So what we want to do is we want to take our crossbar here. I've already got one installed. Go ahead and remove that end cap. You want to make sure that the leg is opened up all the way. That way we can easily set it in place. And we're going to feed it into the channel here. Just get it lined up. And then push it all the way down. Just like that. And once we have it on, we can go ahead and set it in place onto our raised rails. As you can see, with the legs opened up, we can kind of line it up with our rails. Now when you push them down in place, you want to be sure you don't fold over any of that padding there. So we can set it down like so. And while we're over here, first thing we want to do is make sure we're center on both sides. So you can just go ahead and pick a measurement, whatever that accessory might require you to be at. I'm going to set mine at 28. So we're good over here. Repeat the same process for the other side. Once again, I want to make sure to set it in place without rolling over that padding. And we're going to check for 28. All right, good. Then the next thing we want to do is we're going to grab our included tool and we're going to start tightening it up. Now we don't want to tighten it up all the way just yet. We just want to get them snug around those raised rails. All right, so I've got a couple good turns on this side. Go over to the other side and repeat the same process. All right, now once we've got it snug, next thing we want to check is for even bar overhang, and that's going to be from here to here. We want to make sure that it's the same on both sides. So you can either eye it up or take a tape measure, whatever works for you. About 3 inches on that side, and we're actually pretty close. Now if we were to be off, that's one reason why I didn't tighten it down all the way. If we need to, we can push on either side to line it up. But since we know that they're lined up, go ahead and grab our included tool again and tighten them the rest of the way down. And what we're looking for is for our little weather seal here to have a nice seal around our raised rails. Another nice thing about our included tool here is it's got a built-in torque device. It's got this little arch here. When you tighten it up, when that goes straight, that means you're good. And since we're over here, we'll go ahead and take our cap and put that in place. Take our included key, lock it up. We'll repeat that same process, and then we'll be ready to hit the road. Cool. Now we're ready to load up our favorite Rhino Rack accessory, and hit the road. And that's going to complete our test fit on the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero roof rack system on our 2016 Toyota RAV4.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.